Hi everyone! Thank you for watching our N World Business presentation. This is Lourdes Galang from Unstoppable World team of Alpha Network Corporation, or better known as N World. So yung N World po yung bagong company. It's an MLM company that was launched last August 1, 2015. So bagong-bago pa lang yung company. Nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. And this company is owned by Luis Nolasco. Okay. So, just to discuss to you briefly kung ano po yung corporate governance values ng company. Okay, number one is respect. And then second is integrity. Next is gratitude, honor, transparency, excellence, outstanding, unwavering, and significance. Ito po yung values na gusto po ng president natin or ng owner ng company natin na si Luis Nolasco for us to uphold. And ito po yung character na gusto niyang makita sa atin as independent distributors ng N-World or ng Alpha Network Corporation. Ito naman po yung products ng N-World. Okay, we have the Enlighten O2 Bubble Cleanser. So it's a cosmetic product. And we have the Enlighten Eye Gel. Now, yung eye gel po, napakaganda po niyan para po sa mga may eye bags kung gusto po nilang matanggal. And they could use it, and in less than 2 minutes, they could see an effect. Okay, we also have the Enlighten Cloud Cream. We also have the Enlighten CC Cushion. We also have our soap, which is it's a combination of kojic, papaya, and glutathione. So, it's like all-in-one na po siya na soap. We also have the Enlighten Body Cream. And we also have the Enlighten Underarm Cream. Meron din po tayong Enlighten Premium Soap na very popular din po ngayon yung paggamit ng collagen, aloe vera, at saka yung argan oil. And then we also have our supplement, okay, which is the COQ10, which is good for the heart. And we also have supplement for the kids, which is the Enhanced Memo Grow. So, para ma-enhance po yung kanilang memory, and it also serves as a multivitamins for them. So, we also have the Enlighten Facial Cleanser. Okay. Now, here are the packages of N-World. So, we have two kinds of packages. We have the first one is the Platinum Package. Now, the Platinum Package, ang standard retail price po nito ay 16,000 pesos kasi 16,000 pesos din po yung worth of products na makukuha nyo sa Platinum Package. But, okay, for retailer's price, you only have to pay 14,400 pesos. Meaning to say, you actually get a discount of up to 10%, which is 1,600 off the price ng Platinum Package. And, magiging independent distributor ka na ng N-World business, okay? Now, sa first account lang po yan, na kailangan mo magbayad ng 14,400 pesos. Okay, so let's say for example, gusto mong bumili ng 3 packages, 4 packages, or 5 packages para magkaroon ka ng 3 accounts, 4 accounts, or 5 accounts, or even 10 accounts. Okay, now once you have paid 14,400, okay, for your first Platinum Package, yung next packages na bibilhin mo na Platinum ay 12,800 pesos na lang ang babayaran mo. Kasi meron ka ng independent distributors discount na i-apply doon sa susunod mo ng mga packages na bibilhin. Okay? So, just to be clear, sa first package mo, sa first Platinum Package na bibilhin mo, you'll have to pay 14,400 pesos. After that, okay, yung mga susunod na Platinum Packages na bibilhin mo, 12,800 pesos na lang ang babayaran mo. And that's what we call the independent distributor's price because you already get a discount because you're already a distributor. Okay, our next package is what we call the Gold Package. Okay, ang standard retail price po nito ay 10,000 pesos kasi you also get a total of 10,000 pesos worth of N-World products. Okay, now, ang retailer's price po natin ay 9,000 pesos. So, once you purchase a gold package, okay, for your first package, you have to pay 9,000 pesos. And then, again, kagaya po sa Platinum Package kanina, if you plan to purchase 9, 8, or 10, or I don't know kung ilang gold packages ang gusto mong bilhin, but every time na bibili ka na ng gold package, ang babayaran mo na lang is 8,000 pesos. And this has to be under your own account, okay? Under sa parehong name mo, okay? So, as long as ikaw yung bibili, you'll get the discount for the packages. So, ganun din sa platinum package. It has to be under your name, okay? Pag different name, syempre, it applies na first time pa lang niyang bibili ng package na yon. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, pag bumili siya ng package first time, ang babayaran niya is yung retailer's price, which is 9,000 pesos. And then, after nun, yung susunod niyang bibilhin ng mga packages na din under his or her name would be 8,000 pesos. Pero, ang makukuha pa rin na worth of products dito ay 10,000 pesos. So, dito sa mga packages na to, you can choose the products that you want to be included, okay, in these packages. Even with the platinum package, okay, kahit 12,800 na lang ang binabayaran mo, ang worth of products na mapupunta pa rin sa'yo or makukuha mo ay worth 16,000 pesos. And the same with a platinum package, you can choose the Enrolled products that you want to be included in your package. So, at least, ikaw mismo makakapili kung ano yung mga produkto na gusto mong ilagay dun sa package mo. As long as you get the 5 enrolled products that are necessary or that has to be in your package. Okay, so, I'm sure tinatanong nyo kung paano ba kikita dito or magkano ba ang potential na pwede kong kitain dito. So, I'm gonna explain to you briefly kung ano yung pwede mo kitain at paano ka kikita dito sa Enrolled business opportunity na to. Okay, we have the binary program. So, we have the Team A, we have the Team B. Now, every package po na binibili natin is equivalent to points, okay? So, may points po yan. So, let's say, for example, may isahang na sponsoran at meron kang na-invite at bumili din ng package na platinum, okay? Now, yung platinum is equivalent to 1,050 points, okay? So, dalawa yun na na-invite mo at bumili ng package na platinum. So, yung isa nilagay mo sa Team A, tapos yung isa nilagay mo sa Team B. So, as you can see on the diagram, magkakaroon ng 1,050 points yung Team A mo, and then magkakaroon ng 1,050 points din yung Team B mo. Okay, ang magiging equivalent niyan, tong 1,050 points na to from your Team A and from your Team B, is you'll get a sales bonus of 2,100 pesos. Okay? Now, so nakikita nyo sa diagram, kada invite mo na bumibili or prospect mo na bumibili ng platinum package at nilalagay mo sa Team A at sa Team B, may corresponding points na 1,050 points. And magmamatch lang yan ng magmamatch. Okay? So, that's what we call our sales match bonus. And that would be equivalent to 2,100 pesos. Okay? So, yan po yung sales bonus natin. Now, aside from the sales match bonus na pwede natin kitain sa binary program natin, we also have what we call the multi-level program, wherein we can earn sales rebates and overrides from the multi-level points of your personal and group product purchases. So, this one naman, it's also a commission, a way for us to earn from the group sales ng team natin, either from personal or group product purchases. Okay? So, ang level po natin, ang pinaka-first level natin ay novice, wherein, kapag nasa novice level ka, you get 5% multi-level rebates. Okay? So, ito yung parang 5% yung commission mo dun sa total group sales ng mga product purchases or personal purchases ng team mo. And then, you can move on to the next level, which is apprentice. Okay, so, sa apprentice naman, you get 15%, okay, of your multi-level rebates. And then, kapag umakyat ka na sa professional level, you get 25%. And then, pag umakyat ka sa expert level, you get 30% of multi-level rebates sa team mo, sa group mo. And then, kapag umakyat ka sa master, you get 35% multi-level rebates. So, paano ba mako-compute yung 35% na makukuha mo as multi-level rebates? Okay, so just to give you an example, kunyari, nasa master level ka na. So, you get 35% from your multi-level rebates. Now, let's say, for example, ang multi-level rebates mo ay umabot ng 120,000 points, okay? So, So, i-times natin yan sa 35%, then you get 42,000 pesos, okay, as your multi-level rebate commission. Now, aside from the multi-level program na up to the master level, meron pa po tayong tinatawag na mentor level, wherein you can get 40% multi-level rebates. And then we also have the high mentor, wherein you get 45% na multi-level rebates. And then grand mentor, wherein you get 50% multi-level rebates. And you get 55% if you are in the great grand mentor level. At the pinakamataas, which is the alpha mentor, okay, you get to enjoy 60% multi-level rebates, okay? So, ito yung pangarapin natin na mapunta tayo kahit siguro sa grand mentor or great grand mentor, pero pinaka the best talaga is that mapunta ka sa alpha mentor level kasi 'di ba sa multi-level rebates pa lang na 60% from your team's sales or group sales, malaki na 'yon. Sobrang magiging malaki yung income mo diyan. So, magkano ba yung pwede natin maging maximum income potential dito sa Enworld? Okay. Nakakalagay dito, only a maximum of 7 sales transactions per cycle and 2 cycles per day or a total of 14 sales bonus per day will be paid. In excess of 7 sales match transaction per cycle will be considered flush out. Okay. So para sa maximum income potential natin, ang maximum na sales transactions lang natin per cycle ay 7 sales transactions. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin ng 7 sales transactions is equivalent to 7 sales match bonuses din. Okay? So, sa diagram na nakikita nyo, 7 sales bonus per cycle, sa isang cycle, since allowed tayo to have 2 cycles per day, okay, that would be equivalent to 14 sales bonus per cycle. And dito naman sa computation na nakikita nyo, okay, yung sales bonus natin, sabihin na natin, lahat yan, puro platinum packages ang kinuha. So, you get 2,100 pesos na sales match bonus. So, that's 2,100 pesos times 7. Okay, so, yan yung 7 sales match bonus. Sa isang araw lang to, ha. That's equivalent to 14,700 pesos per day, okay, sa isang araw. Tapos, kung umabot ka pa na nag-2 cycle ka sa isang araw, so i-times 2 natin yan, you get 29,400 pesos per day. Okay? Per day lang po yun. And, if we have like 30 days in a month, so pag tinimes natin yan sa 30 days, yung maximum income potential mo sa binary program natin, that is 882,000 pesos per month. Okay? Plus, you have to remember, we also have the multi-level rebates. So, let's say, for example, dun sa example natin kanina na sa multi-level rebates natin na we get a total of 42,000 pesos na commission. Okay, sa multi-level rebates natin. So, pag in-add po natin yan, yung 882,000, okay, plus 42,000, that's 924,000 pesos in a month. So, yung 924,000 pesos in a month, that's close to 1 million. So, hindi po imposible na kumita ka ng 1 million a month dito. And you have to remember, nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. So, kung sasali ka na ngayon, mauuna ka at gagawin mo to, tatrabahuhin mo na talaga to ngayon at sasabay ka sa amin, then, siguro in a span of 6 months or up to 1 year lang, pwede mong kitain na yung 1 million a month. Basta gagawin mo lang, sasabay ka ngayon at ngayon pa lang ay magde-decide ka na sumali at gawin ang Enworld business. So, yan po yung maximum income potential natin. Okay. Ito naman po yung mga headquarters na i-open po bago po matapos tong taon na to. So, wala po tayong definite date kung kailan i-open tong mga to. But this will be opened this year, okay? So, hindi na to aabot ng 2016 na. Basta this year, definitely po na mag-open itong mga headquarters na to. So, ang pinaka-headquarter po natin dito sa Manila, okay, is in Ortigas. And then, we're gonna be opening up headquarters in Cebu, Pampanga, Davao, Baguio, and Zamboanga. So, mas magiging madali po yung mga transactions natin kasi we don't have to wait na lumaki ang N-World or dumami ang mga distributors or may mga magpipay-in muna sa iba't ibang lugar ng Cebu, Pampanga, Davao, Baguio, or Zamboanga bago mag-open ng office. Ang gagawin po ni President Julie Luis Nolasco ay i-open na po niya agad itong 6 headquarters na to para po mapadali ang mga transactions natin, ang pagpipay-in natin, at talaga nag-i-invest po talaga siya para sa ating mga distributors. And then, these are the branches naman po that are soon to open first quarter of 2016. So, we're gonna be opening up a branch in Pangasinan, in Tarlac, in Laguna, Las Piñas, Cavite, Bacolod City, Ormoc City, sa Leyte, Tagum City, Davao del Norte. So, as you can see, mabilis po yung magiging growth ng company. So, as early as now, I am reminding you, to decide, okay? Kasi this is the right time, this is the perfect time for you to join. Lalong-lalo na po itong company na tinayo po ni President Julie Luis Nolasco because of his achievements from the past, from his previous companies po. So, I'm sure na mas magiging maganda pa at mas magiging successful itong sarili niyang company. Okay, so ito rin po yung incentives program natin na naka-line up na, okay? So, wala pa po tayong grand launching, soft launching pa lang, pero may naka-line up na po tayong incentives program. And as you can see, we have a travel incentive for UAE, Japan, and the European travel incentive. So, ang sales cut-off po natin para makasama ka sa UAE travel incentive is from August 1 to October 31. So, from August 1 to October 31, makapag-sponsor ka lang ng tatlong direct mo, which is tatlong tao na direct na mong marerefer sa company to be a distributor also. And then, makakapag-benta kayo ng 100 platinum packages, okay? Then you'd be eligible for the UAE travel incentive, okay? Ngayon, kung sasali ka na ngayon pa lang, and as I am recording this video, it's just August 3, okay? So, 2 days pa lang ang nakakalipas since nilaunch yung company, which is August 1. So, if you decide today and if you join us today, then our team will help you to hit this UAE travel incentive and at the same time, earn the income, that you've been dreaming of, or kung meron kang target income na gusto mo talagang ma-hit. So, our team is willing to help you out. Okay? And meron pa tayong Japan travel incentives, and our sales cut-off is from November 1 to January 31. And ang European travel incentive natin is from August 1 to April 30. So, bago po mag-anniversary ang N-World, 3 travel incentives na po ang maibibigay niya sa mga distributors niya. So, you can just imagine how big this company is going to be and how much income you can actually earn, okay, if you actually start joining us now. Okay, so, yan po yung business presentation natin for N-World. So, if you have any questions at all, or if you want to join our team, at gusto mo nang simulan tong business na to sa N-World, you can contact us through Facebook, through SMS, through Viber, through our team's website. Pwede nyo puntahan yung website ng team namin. Pwede nyo kaming i-email, okay? Any form of communication, if you really want to know about the business or if you want to get started now, so you can contact us, okay, through the details that you can see on the screen. Okay, so that's it. So yan po ang N-World business presentation, and I hope na makapag-decide kayo to join our team. And we will help you to promote this business and to build your network as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!